Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Now, my name is Love. If for the first time, you're welcome back to my channel. On here we talk about hair, vlogs, nursing, but most of the times we post hair videos on here. So if that interests you, please, you're welcome to the family. We need to get to 8,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So today we're going to be doing something different in our hair. As you can see, I already made my hair into a protective style. I'm going to be trying the Sasha Locs from Lush. Sasha Locs from Lush. That be rhyming actually. I have my kinky hair from Lush that I used the previous video on from the previous hair I used, but I realized that it wouldn't be enough and I don't want to risk it, so I got a new pack from Darling Hair. I got a pack of kinky from Darling Hair. Now let's get into the video. So the first things first is that you're going to insert your hair into the hole of a Sasha Locs, and then you're going to wrap your hair around your own hair. After doing that, you're going to take a strand of the kinking hair and wrap it around your hair down to the point of the Sasha Locs. You're going to do this in a threaded manner, in a threaded method. So you do this until you finish wrapping all of your hair. In this method, you make sure you wrap your hair so that none of your hair is in sight. So after doing that, you are going to wrap it loosely around the Sasha Locs. After wrapping it loosely around Sasha Locs, you're going to use both your hands and roll it together. And mind you, this hair has different method of installing it. I personally chose this method because it was the easiest for me. I realized that I was finding it hard to insert my crochet pin without hurting myself, so I just decided to go with this method. And this is what you get after rolling kinking into your hair. So that's it, guys. It's that simple. So I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the video and see how it goes.
She said, "Te amo," that she fell and around me with. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Te amo, she's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, danced in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, "Te amo," that she fell and around me with. I told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw it to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you? Don't it mean I love you? Listen, we can dance. You gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Te amo," that she put her hand around me with. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw it to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means dance. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Te amo," that she put her hand around me with. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw it to cry. I'll ask you why. because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Te amo," then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her run away, let me go. I saw it could cry. Ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I'll dance. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Te amo." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her run away, let me go. I saw it could cry. Ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I'll dance. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Te amo." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her run away, let me go. I saw it could cry. Ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I.
Now we are done with the front of the hair, and I'm going to go off camera and do the remaining part of the hair and then give a review when I'm done. Hi guys, so we are back, and guess what? We are done with the hair. This is the finished look of the hair. It's currently 2 foot something ish. I don't know, but I started like 10 foot something anyway. This final look of the hair. I'm just going to give you guys a moment to eat up the hair. Ooh. Okay.
Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Te amo." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her run away, let me go. I saw it could cry.
So if you've watched from the beginning to this particular part, you're an OG. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not watch and just leave. Please watch and subscribe to my channel. I had this dream of getting to 8,000 subscribers before the end of this year, and I cannot do it alone without you guys. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Adios.